Good day, everyone, and welcome to another epic episode. Welcome to Newsaluji, whereby we discuss politics. I would like to thank all of you who are supporting this channel, and please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe just hitting the super thanks button to support us. You can leave a comment on the section below, and to press that button, remember there's floor charger. Like that, I'm your host, Usabelo Zuma Umshuluzi, and I say welcome to today's political talk. So, Willis Mchunu, the KZN convener of the MK party, was launching his foundation, and Jacob Zuma was invited there to be a speaker. So it was so very interesting because the MK party president Jacob Zuma, who gave a brief history about the formation of the Inkatha Freedom Party, the IFP. So he spoke about a lot of things. Remember that Jacob Zuma at the moment is having this war with the ANC about his dual membership. So here he was just telling the people of the MK party to say that the reason why I want or I'm fighting for this dual membership is because from the days of Mangosuthu Buthelezi, he had it. Then he cited that Mangosuthu Buthelezi said that he died being the member of the African National Congress. Can you believe it?
Futhi mina ngiyasho namanje ukuthi inkatha yakhelwe imsuka yalo nengcebo zayo iANC ukuthi sakholwa enkolelweni ezabekwa ngoba Dr. Seme nabanye abaholi ngo-2012 ANC. I'm not a stranger to ANC.
So usayithanda namanje?
Vele ngiyi-ANC. Ngoba isincele yona ngiyiyo. Kodwa bona ke ngokungilaxaza kanjalo ke ngoba bangilaxaza kanjalo.
He died being the member of the African National Congress while he was still the president of the IFP. Jacob Zuma said that. So basically, is following those footsteps. That's what he was trying to tell. Because he did say that he will die as a member of the African National Congress. And he's been saying that since the formation of the MK party. Because Jacob Zuma believes that the MK party, as in the olden days, like the MK party of old, that will go underground and save the ANC from the brutal regime. According to Jacob Zuma, this MK party now as a political party has a return because it will save the ANC from the tyranny which is President Cyril Ramaphosa. So Jacob Zuma feels or he believes that the ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa has been misguided. Is confused, has been deceived. So he believes that the MK party will rescue the ANC now to its right path. That's what he said. It's not me.
Amakhawa kithi ahlale eRobben Island iminyaka ngeminyaka asikwazi ukwanikeza kubantu abahluleke ukuphatha iANC. Amajaha ethu amakhawa asala emzileni angeke sikwazi nokuthi siwakhumbule njengoba sikhumbule leli qhawe namhlanje. Asikwazi ukwenza lokho sifuna la. Akuthini sathi abalahle ANC. Akuyona le abayihamba yenye into ngazi bizwa ngokuthiwa yini. Thina sisemi lapha yakwakumkhono khokho bethu. Sishintshe igama ngoba sifuna ukulokubanga ukuthi hayi mthathu ANC wethu no. Sifuna ukuthatha kahle bengesena mandla. Sibambe ngithanda into yethu.
So I will play this video. I want you to listen very carefully, then we'll have a discussion. Listen here.
Zonke ezinye zakhiwa belungu engizaziyo. Kodwa inkatha yakhiwa ngabelungu. Ngoba noma khona i-organization eyafika kuqala ukwazi ukuthi yakhiwa abantu abamnyama. Angifuni ukuhleba ngabantu. Kodwa kunjalo. Akunjalo. Mase nikhehla sengihleli phansi ngibhala nje kuphela ngiyobhala ngithi lena ke kwenzeka lokho kulena kwenzeka lokho ngoba ngifuna ukuthi indle emnyama kufanele ukuthi yazi bafanele ukuthi ihlangane ibe ndawonye so ngithi ke kubona le organization yenu yakhiwa i-ANC abaningi abakwazi lokho ngemva kokuba kuyilokhuzana i-ANC ingene phansi komhlaba yathi ngeke thina sishintshe igama le-ANC sizolwa singaphansi komhlaba ngemva kwesikhathi kwase kwanda i-political consciousness kubantu base-South Africa particularly ama-students etc baqala ukwakha amanye ama-organizations i-leadership ye-ANC bisithi yini le esizobhekana nayo ngoba uma i-organization yethu ingaphansi komhlaba isebenza ngaphansi komhlaba basebenza bengaphezulu ababehlaba enyuka ulwazi nokubaluleka kwe-ANC kuzonyamalala kubalulekile ukuthi sithole ngaleyo nkathi ke kwakwakhiwa obantustan laba yonke lento namakhosi nabantu abathile kuthiwa uyena ozophatha aphathizwe lakhe kwakunamazwi amaningi lapha ehlukanisiwe ithi ke ANC asikwazi ukuluza imomentum yethu lendaba kubalulekile ukuthi sakhe umbutho omusha kodwa okufanele izitha zethu zingawazi ukuthi yithi laba esiyakhile kodwa masizokwenza njalo kufanele sithole abantu abangamalungu ethu kodwa esazi ukuthi phela basazi ukuthi bangamalungu manje nabayithandayo i-ANC base kuvunyelwana ukuthi akuthunyelwe umongameli uThambo ayokhuluma nomntwana wakaphinda angene okuyena esimethembayo kubo bonke labantu abathatha lelokhuzana kuthiwa yini lekathi ngisho yebo bathunywa lo mholo bese sebenzela ngaphandle uthi atholane naye akhulume naye ngalokho nangempela wahlangana wambiza watholana naye le wathi hey uyabona ndoda njengoba sekwandela ama-organizations lo mbutho wethu uzosukunyamalala ungaziwa kwaziwe lapho kanti thina siphethe ukukhululizwa kunesizathu zakhona kwema ukuthi asho njalo baxoxa aqala ngayiboni kahle le ndawo umntwana wakaphinda ngene ukuthi impela hayi abona ayithola ukuthi nowizwila nongiyavuma awumeke ngiyobika ekhaya kwakunombishop ke wayemdala lapha nomntwana wamhlonipha kakhulu bayixoxa le ndaba ukuthi nakho umbutho abaholi bethi asakheni umbutho omusha yaxoxa indaba hayi bantu impela yithi phela sasingamalungu hayi kulungile ke wabuya esezosho ukuthi hayi sivumelene kodwa bengicela ukwazi ukuthi igama lale organization lizothini umntwana lokaphinda ngene ubuza umholi wakhe uthi ke uThambo ungakulokotha uthi nasoqamba lelo gama wena okufanele ukuthi uqambe igama elingeze ukuyisondeza kwi-ANC.
So the ANC formed the IFP. This is according to the MK Party President Jacob Zuma. The likes of OR Tambo were planning together with Mangosuthu Buthelezi without the backing of white people, the IFP was formed away from white interests. It was formed to protect the ANC. So the IFP went underground, according to Jacob Zuma, to protect the ANC, and the people who came up with the idea were the likes of the OR Tambos. They were the people who were the brains in the formation of the IFP. The secrets are out. The secrets are out. Zuma is spilling fire. Listen to this. The MK party leader Jacob Zuma says that the IFP Inkatha Freedom Party is the only political party that was formed by a black leader, Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, and without the backing of white people. The rest were formed to protect white interests, meaning other political parties. That's what he was saying. He added that the IFP was the brainchild of the ANC after it was banned and forced to operate underground. Zuma was speaking in Durban last night at the launch of the Willis Mchunu Foundation. The former president says something very interesting. He says that the ANC was formed to protect white interest. So by virtue of circumstance, OR Tambo and Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi had conspired and planned to go underground as to form now a new political party called the IFP. He said that the IFP was not backed by any white interest because it was designed to serve the ANC, as much as the MK party believes that it is designed to serve the ANC. So they are parallel, according to former President Jacob Zuma. So he spoke about Mangosuthu Buthelezi's dual membership. We are there that he had. He added that the late IFP leader died being the member of the African National Congress. Like himself, he will also die as the member of the ANC. That is why he believes that the ANC is misled and it needs to be renewed by the MK party.
Abanye abantu mangit comrade bothi akaseyona nje ANC. No, I'm an ANC member, for information. And I will remain one until the end. But I will also be Mkhonto weSizwe. Nevertheless. What a wonderful thing to say. Absolutely, I'm telling the truth. Uyabona kuba bengezelela into yakho la ngabe ngiyasho ukuthi why I say so. But I won't say it now. I will say it later.
If we win the votes, say Tata. Sayithatha ANC, sayilungisa, sayiqondisa, skipha laba ababhedayo. He said that they must win and take back the ANC to the right path. Remember this article issued on 15 February 2026. Former President Jacob Zuma says that he would fight tooth and nail to regain his ANC membership, and even went to court because he's fighting. He said that until he dies, we'll ride this until we die. President Jacob Zuma believes in that. July 2024, after the party's National Disciplinary Committee resolved to expel him. That was 2024. So the disciplinary committee of the ANC, expelled President Jacob Zuma, but he comes and says that no, he will appeal everything. He's not going anywhere. So there are a couple of people who were part of the ANC, but who were the presidents or the leaders of the opposition. The first person that I understand to be is Mangosuthu Buthelezi, because he said himself, he verified that he is still the member of the ANC, by the way. The second is Bantu Holomisa. Bantu Holomisa did cite that he is the member of the ANC, but he was leading the UDM. And I believe, maybe let me not talk about others, but let me just jump to Umkhonto. So, former President Jacob Zuma says that he too, now, he's in that same path like those former leaders that I just mentioned to you. So, what's your take on this? Do you think that the former president is in the right? Do you think this is justice when it comes to him? Because he's fighting for this. It is unfortunate because I think that thing was formed by Artambo and Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, the late Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi. I'm not sure if the leaders of the ANC knew about this because it was like kept a secret. But the MK party president comes now publicly and declares this without just feeling any remorseful and say that, no, I'm the member of the ANC while I'm leading the MK party. It's the same organization, these things. Man. It's interesting to be here in South Africa during these days, this season, right? So, what's your take on this? Let me hear it on the section below. You can leave it there, your comment, and you can subscribe to this YouTube political channel. Let us meet on the next video, and I'm out.